Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I rarely connect the word comfort with wearing jeans, but these Metietila jeans are completely different. Normally when I'm wearing jeans and I get home, they are the first thing to come off, and I immediately put on my comfy pants. With these jeans, I feel no need to do that whatsoever. I find the material of these to be really soft, and they have that slight little bit of stretch to them, so that definitely adds to the comfort level. The back of the waistband is elasticized, so they don't tend to dig into my tummy or make me feel restricted in any way. I think that these are also a really great looking pair of jeans. The issue that I often have with jeans is that they are too tight on the leg and bum area while being gaping on the waist, but these jeans do not give me those issues at all. I love the wide leg styling and the cargo pockets. I think that they are really on trend. I'm a little bit on the petite, shorter side, so I was really happy that these jeans are the perfect length on me. I think that they are great for everyday wear. I love relaxing in them and being active in them too. These jeans have quickly become one of my favorite pairs. They are hands down the most comfortable jeans I own now. But that's just my point of view.